All right, today is July, what is this, 3rd? Right, tomorrow is July 4th, so today is July 3rd, Thursday, and it's about 10:20 in the morning, and I am headed to, what is that, 808 Sheridan Street, the restaurant that's on the 3rd floor. There's a Vietnamese restaurant, so I'm going to, yeah, I felt like having a banhmi sandwich again because I found that they're very good. And so, I'm aware that they got parking. It's a valet parking, right? And once you take it in there, they take it up the car elevator and then they park it somewhere. But I'm kind of like not too comfortable with that. But, that's only me. And then, of course, there's a Walmart right here, and then they got notices, that if you park at Walmart parking and then walk up somewhere else, then if they notice, you could get some sort of penalizing or towing. Oh, there it is. So okay, so there's a restaurant on the 3rd floor. Oh, margaritas. Yeah, I gotta come there someday too. So many places to visit, right? Yeah. Oh yeah, weather is at 83 degrees. Right now it's about 55 humidity, and then wind factor is supposed to 18 according to the weather forecast. So yeah, we got some wind, not too much, but it says 18. So maybe other places, because there'll be a lot of buildings, right? So, and yeah, waiting on a traffic light. Okay, so there's a cookie lady, so I gotta go on the 3rd floor. Wow, there's even a karaoke, right? So what I did was I park on the meter parking right on the side of Walmart outside. Yeah, and that's 25 cents for every 10 minutes. So I got put in one, for 1 hour, so should be good. Hopefully. And wow, got all this. Yeah. So it's supposedly on the 3rd floor. So I'll continue once I'm up. Oh yeah, here you go. So 3rd floor. Oh, got a lot of eateries here, right? And 3rd floor there's a lesbanhmi 306. Okay. So elevator. Okay, I just came out of the elevator, and where's this side? Oh, Michael Suite. Oh, they got restroom and cake place. Alright, oh, they got customers, so yeah. Oh, nice eatery area. Right? And then, oh, there's Cookies Hawaii. Cookie Lady Hawaii. Right? And then, wow, it's a nice setting here. Beautiful the way it's set. Then, so, where is this place? Banh. Lesban. Oh, wait, could it be this one? It is open. Yeah. So, yeah, there's more. Fun. Alright, so take a look. Ah, nice place. Let's see. It's is it open? And yes, it is. Then, wow. Oh, then, wow. Kind of looking around the place, and wow, looks very cute outside. All right, so let's see. Look at the menu, and oh, good prices. Yeah. So Let me zoom in again, like I did. Okay, so here we go. So yeah, now I'm getting familiar with the feature, zooming in, and right. So what do I want to order? Okay, so pickle daikon, Saigon special, roasted pork, lemongrass chicken. Alright, got it. I'll try lemongrass chicken for today. Alright, I place the order and continue once I get my order. So while I'm waiting for the order, we'll take a look just around. Yeah. We'll kind of get a view of the place. With that. Yeah, with the sitting area here. And that. Right. Yeah, so right here I got my meal. Wow, the sandwich chicken, lemon chicken, right? Banhmi. And outside seating, so let me set up the camera. Okay. Alright, so yeah, I'm here. Wow, got my meal. They're looking good. And whew, wow. Alright, so and they're packed too. Cut it in half. So I mean this is really alright. So oh, this is so good. Pickled daikon, carrot, cucumber, and I forgot what this is. Oh, these leaves put out such a good fragrance. Yeah. Oh, the pickled daikon is great with the carrot and the cucumber. And the lemon chicken is really cooked nicely. Seasoned great. Alright, wow. Yeah, after having started from these banhmi sandwiches, they're so great. And you know, with the seating area the way it's arranged over here, inside and outside, very clean and nice, this whole area. Yeah, and very relaxing area. Comfortable. Wow, this place is popular. A lot of people are coming in. Yeah, most people are for takeout. Yeah, very popular. People are just coming in regularly. And a lot of phone orders too. So what, you know, while I've been waiting, they're constantly receiving phone orders. Yeah. And additionally, the workers here are very nice. Wow. Sandwich wise, this is very healthy sandwich and very tasty at that too. Yeah, the pickled daikon, right? Pickled daikon. You know, just mix with everything else with the lemon chicken and all this. Uh, it just kind of gives out the sweetness. Yeah, very refreshing sweetness. Nice. Yeah, the buns are toasted. Wow. You know, I'm not gonna save the other half. I'm gonna eat it. Yeah, my appetite won me over. It's so good. Yeah, this is another food. If I think I have to eat it every day, I won't get tired of it. Ah, yes. You know, if I had to choose one food that I could eat for the rest of my life for every day, this is one of them. Wow. Good thing. Just only two pieces, because if there's more, I think I would just end up eating it. Wow. As I'm chewing, right, the taste, the flavor, it almost feels like it's melting in my mouth, kind of feeling. Yes, my body's just taking it in, soaking it in. It's really good. Wow, this has been a very good lunch. And I said thank you for watching. Oh yeah, just before I finish it off, kind of like a view of the place, and it's very nice over here. You can eat inside and outside right here. Very peaceful. Nice. Alright, so I said thank you for watching.